Hey, Edgars from Funneltopia here. A quick little update on Funneltopia's side. Now you can do variant-specific images for your products. So under payments, products, if you go into like a specific product, it has variants, as you can see here. For example, it's just for e-commerce, it's a t-shirt, right? So you can do not only the types, you can also do sizes, but you can set them up here, add another variant. So let's say it's red t-shirt, and the option values will be XL, L, and let's do M, right? Those are the sizes. And then for each, technically, you can do different images, right? As you set it up. Here for each variant, you can click on here and create an image. Well, not create, like connect an image to the specific variant. So let's say it's a black t-shirt. You can, obviously first you have to upload them over here, upload files, and then you can select one and you can add more images. So for this one, let's select this, right? For the next one, let's say it's a white t-shirt, right? So let's select this. These have been uploaded from my computer, and so on and so forth, right? So this update is available on both on the POS system, on the mobile app, and also on the e-commerce store side. So make sure to go check it out. It's under payments, products, and then once you go edit a product, it's here under variants. Check that out. And if you have any questions, as per usual, over here at the bottom, 24/7 chat support. Let us know what your questions are. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as we possibly can. And if not, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.